and deeper, then further away, refusing by faith to seek and pray. It's been known for people to ignore a knock from Jesus upon their door, often to think maybe some other time their hearts become harder. This is not so fine, controlled by darkness for holding back. They forget their train is on the wrong track. Behold, there was one who came to her senses, realizing her soul was locked in by fences, unable to move, but wanting to get out. She called upon Jesus with an urgent shout. Christ did answer, He heard her cry. On Calvary's cross, our Savior did die. For our souls amazing grace was given. That was God who came down from heaven. Jesus arose to give victory over defeat. Scars are within His hands and feet, now gladly saved and telling her friends the love of Jesus Christ has no end. At last, to rejoice and to sing, because of true faith, then came rain. At last, to rejoice and to sing, because of true faith, then came rain.